Hi everybody, welcome to Nursing 7050 Advanced Pop Health. Just ignore the title on the top of the screen. So just a quick course overview for you. The course is set up like any other course pretty much. Hit the start here, little information about me, but what's really important is these two things. This is my cell phone. You can text me, you can call me, email me. It doesn't matter if you do it through Canvas or through Weber because it comes to my Weber email. I'm really good about getting back in a timely manner. If you do not hear from me like over a day, if it takes a day, text me because or contact me because I must have missed it somehow. Course syllabus, course schedule, all those types of things here. Announcements really quick. I try to post an announcement every week just to kind of keep you updated where we're going, what's going on, where we're at with things. And that really requires you to check into the course fairly often as well, which, an expectation. Okay, so let's go to the modules here. So let me see here. A couple things I want to mention is the file naming convention. I don't think that's any different. It's just that that's an expectation of the course. And so please stick with that. And it's just important for good data management as well. So let's go back here. Here's bookmarking resources. One of the things you may want to consider is creating a 7050 folder on your web search engine, just doing it up through here. I do have a good site if you're using Google Chrome, which actually you probably are using since it's the recommended platform for Canvas. It's the one that works the best with it. But the reason I say this is because population health and all the big data databases and all that stuff, it's accessible through the web. So you're going to get a lot of resources off the web. So it might be a good idea to keep track of them. Write that in that fashion. And then let's go here. This is to scan or to skim or scan. I know that you guys, there is a lot of reading in any doctoral level program. I mean, my goodness, I remember that with my PhD. It was incredible, but you will learn to skim or scan. And so in here is just a little bit of information to take you to that. And I've shared this with students all along because you don't have to read every single thing, sentence by sentence. So anyways, this is actually a good tip, I think. I've been told it was. So when I've shared it before, coffee shop talk, I love coffee. Anyways, this is for you. I do not access that, so if you have a specific question for me, please email it or text it. But this is for you guys to converse as you need to be. If I have something urgent I want to pass along, instead of in the announcements, I will most likely email it as a group email. And if that's bothersome, let me know. The introduction, all I really want to, I won't make you go through the process of introducing yourselves and responding to each other. But what I really do want to know here is about your project and where you're going with it, because I'd like to try to evolve this course or work this course for you and your project. Okay, let's go back here. Okay, so again, this course is set up like others. You have all your units and you're introduced as you go along. The one thing I want to mention is that you do have a signature assignment in this course, but it is not turned in until the very end. But what happens with this signature assignment is in week 6, you will start developing it, and it's extensive. So you will start here, and a section of the paper will be turned in at a certain time frame, and the next section will be turned in, and the next section, and so forth. So by the time you get done with the course, your paper is pretty much complete and refined, and that should make it a little bit more not so unwieldy, I guess, is what I'm trying to say. Okay, one of the things I have to tell you is that I very much stress scholarly writing and APA format. So what I ask is that you really adhere to the APA manual. Chapters 3 and 4 is really good when we want to talk about pronouns, and not using the, we, things like that. And in here, there's a link on how to build a template for your paper. And when you get to this point, I'm creating, I'll have some more videos in there as well, but it's really how to set up your paper, and in particular styles and headings, because when you get to your project, this will automatically build your table of contents. But even for the paper I have, you will be, when you do this, you will be surprised. And you've probably been doing this, so I'm probably preaching to the choir, but it just makes it so much easier to navigate your paper and build an automatic table of contents. So there'll be more in there as well. I guess one of the things that I ask is, we both have expectations of each other. I am expected to facilitate your course properly, and you're expected to be responsible for your own learning. And if I fall down, you have to let me know, of course, in a professional way. And because I respect all of you guys, you are my colleagues, you are fellow RNs, and I'm excited that you're going to be DNPs. But we do need to have open communication, honest and open communication. And so we just have to definitely keep communicating. And I think that's it for the course. Again, if you guys have any questions, you feel free to ask me. Okay, thanks.